Hi guys, today's video is all about the latest hoverboard in 2022. A hoverboard resembles a skateboard without wheels and is used for personal transportation. But, not all hoverboards are reliable and there are a lot of options on the market, including cheap knockoffs. Using this video guide you can get rid of all the clutter and choose your perfect hoverboard by considering all the features you need to consider, so without wasting any time let's dive into it. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the latest videos. Let's start with the Gyroor G11 newest flash hoverboard. The trendy G14 will set you apart and provide you with an unforgettable riding experience. Gyroor G11 has a high-quality Bluetooth speaker, self-balancing and improved hoverboard control. In the app, you can check the power, adjust the lights, change the riding mode, and do a failure analysis. The bright changing lights of the hoverboard pedal and the cool LED lights of the wheels completely capture the attention of children. The combination of a dual 250-watt motor and sturdy SUV tires allows for a smooth ride over gravel and sandy terrain. It has a top speed of 13 km per hour and a long range for riders weighing up to 220 pounds. After charging, the super storage capacity lasts for 7.78 phm. It has a battery life of roughly 2 hours on a 2-hour charge and can climb a rather steep terrain. You can effortlessly handle and enjoy riding on it because of its powerful self-balancing feature. It is simply a first-class vehicle, with its flashing lights and ability to travel off-road. It is really simple to ride on. It is the finest and most secure present for children aged 6 to 12 as well as adults. Gyroshoes Warrior All-Terrain Smart G2 Hoverboard is at number 2 on our list. Gyroshoes Warrior is capable of handling rough pavements, gravel, grass, sand, and dirt trails, allowing you to enjoy a smooth ride while getting the most out of your self-balancing hoverboard. The frame of this off-road hoverboard is made of aerospace-grade aluminum's alloy. Powered by 350 watts twin motors with 8.5 amps of power, with no inflated solid shock absorber tires, you can ride faster and more steadily, reaching speeds of up to 15 km per hour. It only took less than 2 hours to charge and the battery life is brilliant. This off-road hoverboard can be used on any terrain, including grass, hills, and beaches, and it can even ride on 30-degree slopes. You can enjoy your favorite music while riding the self-balancing hoverboard by connecting your smartphone to the high-quality speakers. Fantastic flashing front LED lights to make it easy and safe to ride at night while also looking really great. Come along on this entertaining musical trip. Through the app, you can easily grasp your speed and battery level, as well as modify driving mode and speed, set an anti-theft alarm, play music, and troubleshoot. Its self-balancing mode allows you to achieve equilibrium in under a minute. You deserve a clever self-balancing hoverboard like Gyroshoes Warrior. Hover One Allstar Electric Hoverboard is at number 3 on our list. If you are searching for speed, durability, style, and comfort, this hoverboard has it all. Everyone appreciates the power of the Hover One electric hoverboard's 6.5-inch broad LED wheels. With such high-quality wheels and, of course, strong 200-watt engines, it rides rather smoothly on all types of roads. Best-in-class performance is provided by the Hover One Allstar, the 10-cell Li-ion 25.2-volt battery that powers two 200-watt motors is nearly faultless and can easily last 7 kilometers. This electric hoverboard charges from 0 to 100% in under 5 hours. It can carry up to 220 pounds while running at full speed, making it one of a kind in terms of power delivery. The Hover One Allstar hoverboard has a maximum inclination rise of 10 degrees for a pleasant ride. Along with its elegant appearance, makes it a fantastic performer to the fullest. This hoverboard offers several safety features, including IP certification for a waterproof and long-lasting structure. In fact, it is the ideal hoverboard for every sort of rider, including you and your children, because it is reasonably priced and can match all of your expectations for short urban journeys. GOTRAX Nova Hoverboard is at number 4 on our list. GOTRAX hoverboards are renowned due to their unique designs and dependable quality. The Nova's powerful dual 200-watt motors and 25.2-volt lithium battery propel it to 6.2 miles per hour for a distance of 6.2 miles and allow it to recharge in 4 to 5 hours. The GOTRAX Nova has amazing LED illuminated wheels shaped like the GOTRAX logo that light up the night. The larger 6.5 wheels provide a smoother ride and make the hoverboard simpler to manage. Nova has a self-balancing control mechanism that allows it to move straight, make a turn, spin in situ, and can be controlled at any time. This hoverboard is not only for children. It may be a meaningful and one-of-a-kind present for friends and family. It's a pleasant surprise that can transport riders of all sizes up to 220 pounds. Hoverboards have built-in self-balancing, so your child's hoverboard will help them balance while they ride. Hover One Dream Electric Hoverboard is at number 5 on our list. The Hover One Dream Hoverboard has 6.5-inch light-up LED wheels for a smooth and comfortable ride. The tires are airless and constructed of rubber. Also, the board features non-slip foot pedals that are road-adaptable and manage your emotions. It has a strong 400-watt brushless motor for a fashionable and highly rated hoverboard that can cruise at a rapid speed of 7 miles per hour. It is amazing for its low price for a hoverboard with such interesting characteristics. The board can climb upward on 10-degree inclines. The Hover One hoverboard has a built-in durable and ultra-safe 36-volt 14-cell lithium-ion battery that takes up to 5 hours to charge, and will allow you a ride of up to 6 miles on a single charge. The Hover One Dream hoverboard is designed with non-slip grips to keep riders safe. The board can support a maximum weight of 220 pounds. The built-in inertia dynamic stabilization technology puts you in control using Hover One gyroscopes and acceleration sensors. The Dream hoverboard stabilizes the user, regulates balance and velocity, and provides a safe, stable, and enjoyable riding experience. Aside from its amazing performance, the board has extras such as a Bluetooth speaker and LED front lighting. The elegant hoverboard features color-changing LED lights that allow you to glide about. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel to see more videos. If you have any questions about these hoverboard, tell me in the comments below and I will reply as soon as I can. See you guys later.